and loaded with the new Raymarine Axiom. You other anglers don't stand a chance.
One of the things you'll notice right away about the Axiom series multifunction displays from Raymarine is they don't have any buttons on them at all. It's an entirely touch-controlled product. Now, to actually turn the display on and off, you'll use our touch swipe control down here on the bottom right corner. You simply slide your finger over it and it brings up a bunch of different menu options here. You can actually take a screen capture. If you see something really cool on your fish finder or something on the chart that you want to record, you can simply swipe the power swipe and hit the tape screenshot button. It'll actually save a digital snapshot to the unit's internal memory or a micro SD card. The other controls you'll find down here are controls for the brightness, so you can make the screen brighter or dimmer. You also have the ability to take your radar and put it into transmit or standby, and of course the power button to turn the whole display off. You just simply press and hold the power button until you see it go out. One of the things you can do on Lighthouse 3 on Axiom is you can actually adjust the ratio of your applications on the screen to give more or less space to the things that you want to see most. So when you're running a window that has multiple applications, here I've got chart, fish finder, and radar all going at the same time. Let's say, for example, I want to give the radar a little bit more space and a little bit less to the chart and the fish finder. I open up my menu, I come down here to my settings, out here on my page settings, and right here to edit split ratio. And now I've got this control that allows me to adjust the ratio between all of my windows. So I can make the radar bigger or smaller, the chart bigger or smaller. When you get it wherever you like it, just simply press save, and that's now stored away in your user profile. So anytime you come back to this page, it'll come up with this exact split ratio automatically. When you're out on the water, we know there's lots of different types of information that you want to be able to see at a glance. Things like the depth of the water temperature, maybe the boat's speed. One of the things we allow you to do in Lighthouse 3 is to have data boxes on screen, and you can customize them to show exactly what you want to see, as well as a size and position. Now, to change these data fields is very easy. You just open the menu on whatever app you're looking at, go down here to the gears for your settings. Out here on page settings, select data overlays. Now we can take any of these data boxes and simply by touching it, I could resize it, make it much larger. With my finger, I can drag it and position it wherever I want it on the screen. When I'm happy with my layout of my data boxes, you just simply press done up here at the top. Your changes are saved, And those data boxes are unique to this particular screen, this particular application. So you can have different overlays on different screens, something different on your radar from what's on your fish finder. It's a very flexible and easy to use system, and you can customize it just the way you want. Another great feature in Axiom and Lighthouse 3 are our live view menus. So whenever you go into a menu on the system, one of the things you're going to see is the app that you're working on never goes out of view. So in this case, when I'm in here making adjustments to my chart layers, I have a little miniature version of my chart that updates in real time on the right side of the display. A great example of what you can do with a live view menu is when you're working on your chart display. Here we can adjust the chart details. So for example, we're at low detail now. When I go up to medium or to high detail, we can see it right away in the little live view window. The live view menus also work when you're on your radar display. Here we're looking at our high definition color radar. And again, when I go into the settings, and in this case, I'm going to go over to the presentation tab. There's the live feed off the radar, so we always have visibility of what's happening on the radar. But if I want to do something like change the color palette, I can make a different selection, and you see it update in real time without ever exiting the menu. So if you want to change it again back to something else, very, very easy to do. Make all your changes, and then when you're ready, you just leave the menu with a press of the X or the back button up here. In Raymarine's Lighthouse 3 operating system on Axiom, we've implemented a new feature that's really convenient called Mode Control. And Mode Control appears in all the different apps on the system. In the chart plotter, you'll find it right here in the menu. And what these modes are quick access buttons to commonly used settings. So right now I'm running my Navionics fishing chart. If I want to change to a navigation chart in detailed, I can simply touch the detailed mode button and it instantly snaps to that new mode. Now, if I'd made any customizations to that detailed chart level, they also will apply here. So if I want to have satellite overlay on all the time when I'm in detailed, if I want to have easy view turned on when I'm in detailed mode, it saves all that on the system. So as soon as you touch the mode control, you get that set of presets automatically. You'll also find mode controls in other applications as well. You can use them in the Fish Finder app to jump between your side vision, your down vision, or your real vision 3D. You'll find them in the radar app as well. So definitely take advantage of the mode controls to make it very convenient. Another great new feature that we've implemented in Lighthouse 3 on Axiom is something called nearby object hotspotting. And when you're working on your chart display, sometimes you may want to touch to bring up nearby waypoints, points of interest on the chart, maybe tide stations. Sometimes there's areas on the chart where you get overlapping pieces of information. So when you touch, you may not know exactly what you're going to get underneath your finger. So our nearby object hotspotting menu actually will intelligently tell you everything that's nearby where you touched. If I want to get more information on one of these items, I simply select it, and it'll show me the additional information on the system. Axiom has a real convenient feature on it called a sweep-in sidebar. And you're going to find it on the left-hand side of the screen. To open it, you simply sweep your finger in, and this data bar appears. Now, all of the cells in this data bar are customizable, so you can put whatever you like in there, but we've pre-populated it with some commonly used things like depth, latitude, longitude, and waypoint information. When you want to hide it, simply touch the X on the corner and it disappears.
It's time to reimagine the way you navigate. Introducing Axiom, the powerful new multifunction navigation system from Raymarine. Featuring our new Lighthouse 3 operating system and blazing fast quad-core processor, Axiom puts superior performance at your fingertips. Axiom is engineered for quick charting and smooth multi-touch interaction. The intuitive button-free interface makes it easy to select and view multiple navigational apps. You can even customize Lighthouse 3 to suit your personal boating and navigational style. Axiom is a breakthrough in sonar technology. It combines down vision, side vision, conventional sonar, and Raymarine's revolutionary Real Vision 3D sonar into a single wide-spectrum chirp transducer. You'll see fish and structures in dramatic, true-to-life detail. And with the benefit of active gyro stabilization, Axiom delivers the best 3D underwater imaging anywhere. Both transom mount and through hull models make Axiom and Real Vision 3D perfect for any boat. Axiom's all-glass construction looks attractive on any helm and displays vibrant colors from the widest range of angles. You get a big screen experience with a tiny footprint. And with a FLIR M100 or M200 thermal camera on board, FLIR Video Analytics send automatic alerts when objects appear, keeping you and your passengers safe. With unmatched awareness above and below the waterline, you're in complete control with Axiom at the helm. Smooth operation, blazing fast performance. The new Axiom from Raymarine, simply superior. Raymarine's award-winning Axiom family just got bigger. Meet Axiom Pro, 9, 12, and 16-inch models, fully loaded with even more fish finding and navigational power for finding fish faster and staying safe at all times on the water. Axiom Pro features our new Lighthouse 3 operating system and puts superior performance not only at your fingertips via smooth multi-touch interaction, but also full keypad and rotary controls for easy and dependable performance, no matter how rough the conditions. Axiom Pro's quad-core performance is the fastest draw on the water for quick charting and easy customization. Axiom Pro is a breakthrough in sonar technology. It combines down vision, side vision, conventional sonar, and Raymarine's revolutionary Real Vision 3D sonar, and 1 kilowatt chirp sonar for unmatched precision, clarity, and target separation. You'll see bait, fish, structure, and thermoclines in dramatic, true-to-life detail. And with active gyro stabilization, Axiom delivers the best 3D underwater imaging anywhere. And with IPS display technology, you get vibrant colors from the widest range of angles, even when viewed through polarized glasses. Axiom Pro is fully expandable and networked with multiple Axiom units, chirp radar, Evolution Autopilot, and FLIR thermal night vision technology for the ultimate in navigational safety. Axiom Pro models also support both analog and video over IP marine cameras, allowing users to monitor what's above and below the waterline. Smooth operation, blazing fast performance. The new Axiom Pro from Raymarine, simply superior.